We've got that legal expert here in the
Here I am.
flesh, Doug Chin, former Attorney General and Lieutenant Governor. You've also prosecuted many cases. We want to pick your brain here.
Sure.
So, for anyone following the Kealoha trial, Mr. and Mrs. Kealoha, they tend to match. They tend to have a united front, holding hands, matching their outfits. What do you take about that?
Well, first of all, I mean, there's two ways to look at it. One, it could just be absolutely genuine, and that is for sure something that could be the case. In other words, they're married, they're up against the fight of their lives, and they're just trying to show unity as a family. And I think we can all respect that. I think there's other more cynical people who would look at it and say that they're just trying to present this united front in order to be able to get sympathy from the jury and to make them see, hey, look at these good people, how could they possibly be involved in the conspiracy? But I actually think something really interesting out of all this is that some of that united front could backfire, because the whole idea of a conspiracy is the idea that people are working in concert to accomplish a criminal enterprise. And I definitely think that that's part of the prosecutor's theory, is look at all the things that we're showing that Mrs. Kealoha was involved in. The chief's people that were reporting to him are part of this conspiracy, so who's the link that's bringing this all together?
What do you feel is the most damaging part of the prosecutor's evidence so far?
Well, I really think that a lot of just the way that they've shown how strange it was that the mailbox theft involved so many high-ranking officials. I mean, to me, being in law enforcement, that's such a red flag. I mean, the type of burglary of a mailbox case to involve the high-profile, very high-ranking criminal intelligence unit that reports to the chief, that's a red flag. It's very hard, I think, for people to explain why a major and a sergeant was involved in writing these reports.
I think that one thing that the defense could perhaps expound upon is the fact that prosecutors have not been able to find the purported person who, if it wasn't Gerard Puana in the alleged
Sure.
mailbox theft, they don't have an actual concrete person.
Right. And there's a lot of circumstantial evidence that has to be put together, either with the last witnesses that are testifying before the prosecution rests, or in closing argument when the prosecutor is going to have to be able to bring it all together and tell them, look, this is why we have a conspiracy. Now, I can tell you on the defense side, they are going to pick every single one of these events apart and say they're all independent of each other. You know, you got one little string here, one little string here. Doesn't mean anything. It doesn't show that my particular client is guilty of a crime.
Thank you, Doug Chin. Always appreciate your input. The Kealoha trial right now on recess for a week. They pick back up again next week. Lauren, over to you.